Welcome to Bridges to Success, a free program for clients receiving TANF, also called Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. Success is in you. Let us help you find it. Do you struggle to keep a job? Do you regularly worry about everyday things? Or are you struggling to see a future different from where you are now? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then Bridges to Success may be right for you. The program offers free employment and well-being assistance to TANF recipients. These services help individuals overcome obstacles stopping them from finding or keeping a job. Let's hear Justine's story to find out how the process works. Justine had been let go from her last few jobs because she was very forgetful and struggled to remember how to complete her job duties. Justine was tired of constantly changing jobs and decided it was time for her to make a change. Justine called her VIEW case manager to talk about her options. The case manager suggested the Bridges to Success program and said they would call her soon. A few days later, Justine completed a brief screening with a Bridges to Success team member over the phone, and it was determined that she would be a good fit. An evaluation was scheduled. Justine mentioned that she was having car trouble and was concerned about getting her child to daycare and making it to the appointment on time. The Bridges to Success team member told Justine not to worry. The program offers taxi assistance to those who participate. Relieved, she was ready to move on. The evaluation is the first step for all participants of the program. It is conducted by a clinical psychologist and identifies areas where you, as the participant, could benefit from Bridges to Success services. It usually takes about 3 to 4 hours to complete. A short time later, Justine met with the evaluation team to review the results. The information provided was detailed and helped her understand why she was unable to keep a steady job. With this information, she finally felt that she had found the right program that could help her move towards a successful future. That same day, she received her personalized recommendations, which included one-on-one counseling to assist with her anxiety, a job coach to address her challenges in keeping a job, and a doctor to discuss the possibility of medications for her anxiety. Justine liked that it was her decision on which recommendations she would follow. The choice was hers. Let's take a minute to review the process. Justine was screened and met with the Bridges to Success team. She completed her evaluation, reviewed the results, then received the recommendations for the next steps. Additional recommendations may include job coaching, life coaching, educational supports and accommodations, counseling, or, sometimes, the suggestion and discussion of medication. Participants are provided detailed information on available services and are able to select which they would like to access. Still not sure if you're ready yet? Let's hear one more story. This is David. David and his family immigrated to the United States and decided to settle down in Fairfax County. To help them get on their feet, they applied and were approved for TANF. With his limited English or knowledge of the U.S. job market, David struggled to find work. He felt frustrated and overwhelmed. When he mentioned this to his TANF case manager, he suggested the Bridges to Success program. With David's approval, his case manager made the referral. David went through the same enrollment process as Justine. After completing the screening and evaluation, he learned that part of his struggle to stay organized was due to attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, also known as ADHD. He had never heard of ADHD before. The Bridges to Success team helped him understand what it meant to have it, giving specific examples of when and where it may have affected him in the past. After the evaluation results were discussed, David decided that his first step would be to enroll in ESOL classes to improve his English. He was told that if he felt that he was behind or needed extra support, the program could make arrangements for extra help. Bridges to Success works with local educational institutions to coordinate enrollment, tutoring supports, and accommodations to help participants succeed while in class or training. The program's goal is to help you succeed, and we'll do whatever we can to help get you there. Bridges to Success also offers job readiness, resume, and SSI or SSDI assistance, self-care service options, and appointment scheduling assistance with health professionals. David decided that his next step would be to work with a professional who could help him better understand his ADHD diagnosis. He wanted to learn new ways of working through the struggles he faced at home and how to set him up to succeed at his next interview and job. To help David better understand the process to finding work in the U.S. and improve his organizational skills, the Bridges to Success team coordinated with their partner to pair him with a job coach and life coach. You've likely heard of a job coach, but a life coach can help to develop strategies to address day-to-day issues that all of us face. They can also provide great motivation and support. A few weeks after working with his coaches and attending ESOL classes, David got a call for an interview. Thanks to all the support he had received, David felt excited, confident, and prepared. And guess what? His hard work paid off. He was offered the job. Justine and David are just two of the many people that the Bridges to Success program assist. The program is free to all TANF recipients and provides an individualized path to services designed for each participant. Let Bridges to Success connect you to the supportive services necessary for a successful future. For more information or to schedule a screening, talk to your review or TANF caseworker. Call 703-704-6864, TTY711, or email dfsssbridgesteam@fairfaxcounty.gov.